Have you ever wondered what would happen if the Earth just stopped spinning? It sounds like something straight out of a science fiction movie, but the reality is both fascinating and terrifying. In today's video, we'll explore the physics behind Earth's rotation and what could happen if it came to a sudden halt. Buckle up, this is going to be a wild ride. First, let's talk about why Earth's rotation is so crucial. Our planet spins at a speed of roughly 1,670 kilometers per hour, or about 1,040 miles per hour, at the equator. This rotation affects everything, from the day-night cycle to weather patterns and even the shape of the Earth itself. If the rotation stops, everything we take for granted would be completely thrown into chaos. So what would happen if Earth stopped spinning instantly? The answer is catastrophic. First off, the atmosphere and everything on the planet's surface would continue moving at 1,670 kilometers per hour. This means buildings, oceans, and even people would be flung sideways with unimaginable force. Think of it as being in a car that's suddenly hit by the brakes, except the car is the Earth, and the speed is thousands of kilometers per hour. The result? Massive tsunamis, hurricane-force winds, and utter destruction. But let's assume the Earth didn't stop abruptly but gradually slowed to a halt. What would happen then? Without rotation, gravity and centrifugal force would no longer balance each other out. Water from the equator would rush toward the poles, forming two massive oceans, leaving the equatorial regions dry and barren. This would drastically reshape the continents and oceans, creating a planet that looks completely alien compared to what we know today. A non-rotating Earth would also mean the end of our 24-hour day. Instead, one side of the planet would face the sun constantly, while the other side would be plunged into eternal darkness. This would lead to extreme temperature differences, with one side becoming unbearably hot and the other freezing cold. In short, life as we know it would struggle to survive, ecosystems would collapse, and any remaining species would have to adapt to these harsh new conditions. Here's another major consequence. Earth's magnetic field would likely weaken or disappear. The field is generated by the rotation of Earth's molten iron core. Without it, we'd lose our shield against solar radiation and cosmic rays, leaving the planet exposed to harmful radiation. This could strip away our atmosphere over time, similar to what happened on Mars. Now, before you start panicking, let's clear something up. Earth stopping its rotation is nearly impossible. The forces that keep our planet spinning are so immense that it would take an unimaginable amount of energy to stop it. That said, understanding these scenarios helps us appreciate how delicate the balance of our planet really is. So, while the Earth won't stop spinning anytime soon, it's a reminder of how interconnected and finely tuned our planet is. If you enjoyed this thought experiment, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos exploring the wonders of science and space. Thanks for watching and keep exploring those infinite horizons.